In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Coinbase. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to transfer any crypto asset that you have available in Robinhood to Coinbase or any other wallet. The process is generally going to be the same across all of them. So of course, you need to make sure that you have a wallet set up for the same crypto asset on both websites or mobile apps. So you need to have the asset on Robinhood and the same asset must be available on Coinbase and you will be able to initiate this transfer. So I recommend starting this inside of Robinhood itself. Find the asset that you would like to transfer over and then go to its page. Now if you scroll all the way down, you will see some graphs, your position, and finally the two important options, send and receive. So all that you have to do here is choose the option to send your crypto from Robinhood to Coinbase. So choose the option to send the crypto. Now you will be able to specify the amount that you want to send in either US dollars or the amount in crypto itself, and then you can confirm that the asset is correct. So Ethereum, Bitcoin, and so on. Once you input the correct amount, they are going to ask you for a wallet address. This is going to be the wallet address from Coinbase. So to get this wallet address, you have to go over to the Coinbase app and either choose the receive option from the home screen or go to the page of the specific crypto asset that you would like to receive. Then when you choose the option here, you will see your address. You can copy this address and you can also consider using the QR code if it is more convenient. It doesn't matter. Either this address or the QR code are going to work. And now all that you have to do is input the address that you copied into this part here. Once the address has been input, you will be able to initiate this transfer to Coinbase. I recommend sending a small amount first to make sure that you copied the correct address, and if everything looks okay, you will be able to get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Coinbase. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.